Yeah. This is why I carry this bag around. It's got all my paraphernalia, my extra tools in here, my extra screws. And it's kind of a pain in the rear to get stuff out of it, but I mean, what other choice do I have? I gotta carry it around in something. Now you get to see some of the things that I use. One of these days I might make a video and pull out all my stuff so you can kind of see what I've got in here. I got some finished 4s and 6 nails. Use those every once in a while as well. I always keep my screws at the bottom because they fit in here nice and flat. So I got here's 1.25 inches, so I know I need one of those. And I'm probably going to use, I got some 2-inch screws. I think I may use those because the threads are a little bit fatter than the screw that was in the door hinge before. Here I got 1 5/8. I'll take a look at that. And let's see. Well, those threads are actually just as fat as the 2, so I think the 1 5s will work. Okay, so I'm going to take 2 of those and 1 1.25 inch screw. And so see, I carry 1 1.25 inches, 1 5/8. These are 2 inch, and then I have 2.5 down here, 3 inch as well. Okay, so I got my screws. Let's go back up there, see what I can do. Okay, first things first, I'm going to put the 1 1/4 screw in there with my drill. And I ended up replacing my other drill. This one is a lithium. See this? Lithium 18 volt. That's what you want, and I'm using the Ryobi. I really like these. You can get this whole thing in a set with this, two charged batteries, a charger. It also came with a flashlight, a little cut-off saw, and a little sawzall. All that with a bag even. I think I got it for $179 for everything. There. That looks perfect. The color of the screw head is fine. It fits in there flush and all. Okay. Now I'm going to get back in here. And I'm using 1 5/8. I just want to make sure I don't put it in really super tight. I want it just snug. Or else it's going to start spinning, because this is only going to tighten up in the jamb. Because if you remember, if I go straight in there, these screw locations are going to be within a 1/2 inch from this edge, and that's where the sheetrock is. You got 1/2 inch of sheetrock, then the 2x4, another 1/2 inch of sheetrock over here, and then your jamb is that full of measurement. Okay. So first going to take that to there, and I'm going to see if it spins. Now, what happened to my screwdriver? What happened? Oh, here it is. Look at that. It's still spinning. Shit. I'm not liking that. You know what that means? That means this one's going to do the same thing. And if I get something with too big of threads, the head is going to stick out from there. I'm not going to like that either. Okay, so that's not going to work. I guess what I am going to have to do now is I'm going to take the door off the hinges and I'm going to put them in at a slight angle. I have to. And because I'm going to do that, I'm probably going to have to use the 2-inch screws. Well, you're getting your money's worth here. Because I first have to get this door off the hinge pins. Get my screwdriver out of there. Okay, we'll have to take a look at this on the other side and take a look at how I'm going to get the pins off. Well, let's look at this first. Sometimes there's a little trim piece. See that? See that nib right there? So I got to get a nail or something small enough to go up in there. Sometimes it doesn't have this, and you can see, and you can put a nail set up in there, and you can actually see the bottom of the hinge pin because it doesn't have this. And see, this one's tight, so I can't grab it with a screwdriver without messing it up. So I've got to hold something underneath there. Dabbity nabbit. And they're all the same, of course. Okay. Nothing is easy, and if you're not a handy person, you might say, see, that's why I never do anything on my own. I just soon call someone. But hey, you can do this project. You just watch the steps that I'm going to go through. You don't want to have to pay someone to fix your sagging door. They come out here and gladly take your $100 bill out of your pocket. They'll snatch it from you. I don't want that to happen. Once you start fixing these things on your own, that's what my channel is all about.